Hello guys and welcome for a new episode. Well, today is going to be a little bit different. We're going to talk about WordPress again, and we're going to talk about how to use WordPress in a situation where perhaps you need a fast installation, free of a charge, of course. It's not, it's not a paid one, and you need WordPress because you want to try something, for example. I'm going to show you this in a minute, but before we even start, I would like to say thanks to all the people who are helping me with this channel. So without any delays, I know you want to start on the actual tutorial. So today I'm talking about TasteWP. So what is TasteWP? It's a free service at the moment. In the future, I think they're going to offer hosting as well. I'm not sure if it's going to be free or not, but I don't think so. But the actual service you can see here is free. You can actually spin up WordPress, for example, and as you can see, with a click of a button, I just spinned up a WordPress, and I get the URL, the username, and the password. I'm going to copy this one here, for example, now, so you can actually see it. I don't want this one here. Let me minimize. Sorry about that, guys. So this is the first installation, just by clicking. Now I'm going to speed up another one. I'm going to click this one here, and I'm going to the advanced setup. Here is where everything gets interesting. I can choose the version. You can go from 4.6 to 581. This is the latest. I can choose the PHP. I can go to 8.7.4. Again, if you go to 8, be careful. WooCommerce, I was told, is not 100% compatible. Then you can actually choose the advanced WP config, what you want to do. If you want to include the WP debug, disable the fatal error handler, turn on the alternative, the WP cron, disable the WP cache, so on and so forth. You can actually see it here. Here you can actually add some plugins. At the moment, those 4 plugins are ticked, so technically it's going to be installed. And we go here 2020. You can actually choose generate press, Neve, or Ocean WP. So you can actually do that and just install Ocean. If you want all of it, just I think that's the way you do it here. And I think this is the one is going to be enabled as the actual default templates. Okay, if you want 2020 default, I think that's the way you do it. You click on the second click here. You can have a custom site name if you want to, or leave it blank for a random funny name, whatever is up to you. And you can create without expiry time for free, but you gotta well, I'm going to show this one after. You gotta this is what I'm trying to do myself as well. If other people subscribe and create an account here for free, you can get, for example, an installation of WordPress without the expiry date, technically. So anyway, you can create a multi-site if you want to with on subpath, or just click on create. I'm going to create this one here. So I created a second one spin, and then I'm going to show you the actual dashboard. Here we go. We got another one here. I'm going to copy that one there. Now this have 2 days expiry dates. Okay, I'm going to show you where to have a look this information. From the time you're going to look at this is not valid. That's why I'm showing up this one. All right. So if you go to the information, so can I create the WP with a multi-site support? It says yes. Can I change the PHP version? Yes, I already showed you. Can I download the WordPress debug log? And yes, you can do that. And can you change the domain you gave me? That will be possible soon. Now on the first page is how long is the actual site live, and it says after 2 days, 48 hours for non-logged users and 7 days for logged in users. Okay, can I still upload anything I want here? For now it's limited to 1 GB per instance, and that is the overall. Okay, how many sites I can create, and that's 2 for non-logged in and 6 if you are logged in, technically if you have an account, and that's free. And again, if you want to migrate whatever you build here, yes you can, because it comes with a backup migration plugin installed. All right, once we said that, let's go to the actual dashboard so you can actually see what it looks like. And as you can see here, we got 2 websites. You got the actions here where you can log in, reset the password, disable plugins, download the debug, I should say, change the PHP version, and you can actually delete the site. You can create templates, you can make a quick URL, you can create a new template, or you can create a new site the way we done it on the front part of it. And this is the affiliate program. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get 3 sites so I can get non-expiry installation, for example. All right. Now this company does a lot more, and they have multiple plugins. This is the actual main website, and as you can see, they do other plugins as well, and they offer other services as well. All right, just have a look. I'm going to add the URL in the description below. So technically, as you can see, it's very simple. Let's go back on the dashboard. I don't want to put the stuff in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and log to the site. And as you can see, it goes straight to the dashboard. And this is what it looks like, the installation. It's just a normal WordPress. But what you will find, for example, you get the backup migration here. You get the My Pop App. And again, those are the actual plugins of the same company, okay? And you can see here, 6 days, 23 hours, that's the time the expiry of this particular website has been created. Again, you got the admin URL, you got the username, and we got the password as well, okay? So you can use it as a normal WordPress website. I hope you enjoyed this small it's not a tutorial. All it is just to show you this free service you can use. Don't forget to click the actual link in my description, so you will help me to get the 3 installation, so I can use it. So thanks guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time for a new tutorial on Jet plugins.